Hi guys, good morning. This is the part 2 of our structural cards, and I will be taking us on the major structures we have, the minor structures, then we have the BOS, which is break of structure, and then we're going to also touch change of character. And before we continue, kindly like, subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you. So let's go to major structures. Major structure are the structures. They are the structures that we have that are very clear. They are the structure we have that are very clear. Let me just say it like that. There is no noise. It is plain. Let me give an example. Here we can see this is definitely an uptrend. So what can we see here that no doubt it's an impulse, then a reversal. We have this is an impulse, then we have the reversal, then we have impulse, then we have the reversal, then we have another impulse. We can't say these are impulse because these are minor structures. They are noise. They are just noise. It's not defined. So we can say this is a major high, major reversal, major high. Then we've really not had the major reversal yet. So those are the main structure. Main structure are structures that are very clear. There is a clear impulse, then there is a clear reversals. Then minor structures are these tiny ones that you can see. As example are these ones. You can see them. They are not major. They can still be manipulated. That's because it's not clear. It's just a lot of noise everywhere. You can't really say, okay, this is where this. Yeah, we can say it's going high, but then it doesn't make any sense like this. You see that there's really no structure to it. It's just noise. You get. So that's it for major and minor structure. So, and what we trade is major structures. Because why do we trade major structure? It is easy to actually spot. And since we trade higher time frame, the lowest we trade is 1 hour time frame. So it's easy to see all this structure. But when you go down to like 15 minutes, 5 minutes, those are minor. We are trading minor structures. So let's go to break of structures now. How do we define a break of structure? We define a break of structure by when there is an impulse, there will be a reversal. When the high or the low of that impulse is broken, that's when we have a major break of structure. Do you get it now? When the high or the low of the previous structure, that is the impulse and the... Let me just do it. That is when we have this, we have impulse, then reversal, impulse, reversal, impulse, then reversal, then impulse. So at every point we have a break of the previous high here. We have the break of structure. Here now, there's a break of structure here. This line now is a break of structure. Then, if you move here, this is another break of structure. That is, it shows that the trend is still upward, it's still going up, and it's not ready to reverse yet. Then, here also, we have a break of structure. Now, to define change of character now, change of character is that point where we have the structure that is already in place. That is, we have an upward trend structure now. For there to be a change of structure, there has to be a close below the previous higher low. That is, for there to be a change of character here now, this low has to be broken. Assuming the price comes like this, does the thing, then broke this, we have a change of character here. We have a change of character here because now it's no more going upward again. There is a close below the previous low that has made it so that there is no break of structure to the upside anymore. There is now a change of character to the downside. This indicates a change of trend. Now, if there's a break over here, down, then we know that okay, we are no more in an uptrend, we are now in a downtrend. Let me just draw it out for you. Just draw it out. I don't want this video to be long. Just draw it out. So we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then we have, instead of printing a higher low, we have a lower low. Then lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Every point here, all these points here, that's a break of structure. Break of structure. Break of structure. Then, because of this break to the downside, instead of creating a higher low, it created a lower low. So now we have, instead of this is a break of structure, that is a change of character, because it has changed the movement of the market from uptrend to downtrend. So we have lower low, then we have this lower high here, then we have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. As you can see, change of character is what ushered in the change in the trend of the market. Do we get it now? I really hope we get it. We have microstructure. This is just me. I hope you get it. At this point, we have break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure. Then the down part, we have a change of character at this point where the movement changed from higher low to lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. I hope you get it now. So in the next couple of classes, I'll be taking us through liquidity, point of interest, inducement, and I'm going to the final video will be where I combine everything together to make sense. I'm trying to build up something now. So when we are at the point where we combine everything together, we won't be confused. This will be the end of the video. Kindly like and subscribe. Thank you.